thank God they're ploughing a long time, but there's a lot of work to do in that time.
There is, yeah, there's a lot of work, and kind of it's so precise, and just trying to keep things right, and just kind of, you know, making sure each furrow in the plot is uniform and looks the same, like, you know, and like, you know, you have everything down to, like, you know, centimetres, mils, like, you know, so, like, you know, you can see it, like, maybe to kind of someone who never isn't interested in ploughing, I suppose it'd be hard to see, but people that's following the ploughing all their lives would see, like, the differences in furrows if they weren't correct, like, so the whole aim here is to plough an even plot which is level and each furrow correct, like, and looking all the same, like, and that's a challenge in itself, and that's what takes all the time that you're talking about, you know.
Grass ploughing, how is it different to the stubble? Or?
Yeah, the grass, the depth in the grass needn't be the same as the stubble. You can plough the stubble a little bit deeper because you need to cover in the trash a bit more, and in the grassland you can plough it a little bit narrower and lighter, so it comes up smoother and it looks better in the evening for appearance.
Is the ground too hard for you, or have you changed your plough as a result there?
Yeah, well, look, we've made a few alterations to see can we counteract the hard ground, but I think it's quite hard on top. It might not be as hard underneath. It dried out a lot on top, so I kind of have a feeling that's going to plough well.
Yeah, once you get into the plot, you'll be okay.
Yeah.
Very different to America.
Absolutely. Well, for a start off, the fields are a lot smaller here in Ireland, where we were competing with a 1,000-acre field. But no, look at America was a great experience, but sure, as they say, there's no place like home.